You have heard that you can create a website for free. How do people do that? Hi everyone, my name is Startup Jazwil from Startup Crest TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a website for free without spending a dime. I'm from Startup Crest TV, and before we get started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified and never miss a thing. So how do people create a website for free without spending a dime? Let me show you. I'm going to be creating a free website live, and you watch me do it. Let's go. All right, so in creating my free website, I'm going to use a free app known as Carrd.io. So open your web browser. In the browser, type in Carrd, that is Carrd.io, and then click go. Let's see what happens now. Open. Bingo, here it comes. So this is Carrd. According to the creators of Carrd, they say Carrd is a simple, free, fully responsive one-page site for pretty much anything. That is, you can use Carrd to create any type of website. So what you need to do is to log in and start creating. If you already have an account, you can log in and start creating. But if you don't, then you will need to create an account. You see where you can sign up, create a free Carrd account. I already have one, so I'm going to log in with my account and create a free website as you watch me. So let's go. So I log in. Here we come. This is your dashboard once you log into Carrd. What you need to do is click the new site icon. You click, and it gives you option to choose a starting point. That is where you can choose the template. Already designed template that you can just adjust, edit a few things, and you have your website loaded. If you click on this drop down, you will see the different type of templates available. There's profile, landing, form, portfolio, and sections. The profile is best used for creating an account for a professional, maybe a lawyer, an accountant. You know, if you're somebody like that, that will work best for you. For businesses that have items to display, the portfolio template will work better for them. So I'm going to use the portfolio template to create a free website. Let's go. And now they open up. Now before you start, you can check out each of these templates and see the one that will fit your need the most. How do you do that? Just tap on demo here. You click on demo, and it opens up that website for you so that you can have a look, have a feel of how that website will look like. Okay, so the internet is a little bit slow, and this is taking time to load. I hope this is normal. Okay, I guess that's email that was dropping, that's why. All right, so here we go. So this template is opening up. Let's see now. Oh, this is really unusual. It has taken some. Oh, good. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. So this is how your site will look like. You can scroll through. You see, this is how this website will look like if you use this template. Okay, let's go back and have a look at another template. Let's look at this one. Bingo. Oh, I think this is cool. This is pretty simple. It has icons for displaying your social media pages. This is cool. So let's use this template. Okay, so we go back and click select. This is the template we want to use. Click select, and it opens up where you can start editing this template. So this is where you put your site title or your business name, whatever you do to sell what you are doing. And if you scroll down, you'll see where you can add images. These icons are for adding images. You can edit other things. Maybe you can put about me under here and also link your social media pages. So let's begin. And as you walk, you can use this button to save. Use this button to preview whatever you have done. And you can add other icons by clicking this plus button. Okay. But let us begin by, first of all, editing what we already have here. So to start editing, I will tap on this. So let's assume we're creating a website for Kathy, and Kathy is a cake decorator. So we say Kathy, sorry. So this is Kathy, good, Kathy's cake. Very good, here we go. So that's Kathy's cake. We have that change. You can put your tagline here. Let's say Kathy's cake's tagline is eat and sleep and drink. Okay, whatever it is. Eat and sleep. Now you can adjust all of these, okay? For instance, I can change the color of this to red. So if I come here, this is for changing the color. I can tap here and I change the color. So I can say red. Bingo, I have red. Okay, I can adjust so many other things. I can go down here, change the type of element that I have there. I can come, change the size, the font type, okay, and so many other things that I can do with this. But for the purpose of this training, let's just leave this at this. So what we want to do next, after doing this, is to try to edit other things, okay, on this site. Let's see now. So let's say I want to add my phone number to the top of this site. I could just come and click this. Okay, what open up here? Good. So this is the text I added. I can quickly change this to say my phone number. I come here, text. I scroll down. 2, 3, 4, 8, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For instance, I'm just putting stuff here, okay? Now I've added my phone number. If I decide that this phone number should be up, I can take it up. I just click on it and I drag it. Okay? I drag it up, all the way up. So not just the phone number, but any icon at all, any of the elements on this page, you can adjust where you want them to be. If you want them to go up, you want them to come down, you can adjust that, any of the elements. The internet is a little bit slow. That is why it looks as if this page is hanging. But let's see. I just drag this number up. It should be up by now, but I feel this is the internet being slow. Oops. All right, so let's see now. We have this phone number here. Let me rotate this, maybe. Okay, yeah, so I have this phone number, so I can now start adding my images. You just tap that, come and upload the images. I click here. Let's see, I upload this. Okay. Upload. That is done. Next image. I click to upload. Okay. I tap here and I got this. It's uploaded. I take this. So basically that's just what you are doing. Okay, you are just uploading one image after another, uploading one image after another. Okay, let me put one more so that we knock this part off. Okay, so let's say we add this. Good. Good. So the remaining spaces, I can remove them since I don't have any images I want to add here. So I can take off these ones. I delete them one after the other. And bingo, those images we added are here. So once you are done doing that, the next thing you just need to do is come and publish the site. Or if you want to add further icons, you can come here. If you want to change the background color, let's say you don't like the background being white, you can come, maybe make it, let's assume you want to make it a little bit dark. Okay, something like this. That changes the background. Of course, this is not fine enough, so we're not going to use this. Let's change it to the white that it was before, or something close to white. Okay, something like this. Okay, we can do this. So we'll have something like this. So next thing you need to do is just to publish this site. Okay, so you tap these 3 lines here. you click what? Publish. Tap on publish. Then you put the title of your site. This is Kathy. Remember, we are doing this for Kathy. Is any Kathy there? Kathy's Cake, right? Yes. So we have Kathy's Cake here. Sorry, I shouldn't have gone back. We are trying to publish this. Then you put a description for your website. Then you put the URL. The URL, that is the link that people can tap on and go to your website. Because you are using a free card account, it's going to be whatever you put .card.co. So for instance, if this is Kathy Cake, it's going to be kathycake.card.co. Then you can describe your website. Let's say we want to describe, we'll say Cool Cake Baker, for instance. I'm just doing this, okay? So we have that Cool Cake Baker. Then you are done. Now, you can also come and put an image here, like your website image, okay? But this is only for those who are paying, if you are using the paid card account. But remember, we're trying to build this website for free. Your website main language, English, of course. Then you can go ahead and publish your website, or you can save it so that later you can edit this site. So guys, that is what it takes to create a website for free. And I want to thank you very much for being part of this training, how to create a website for free. And I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out the links below and remember to give me a thumbs up and share this video before you leave. Thank you once again and have a lovely evening.